My name's Owen. I'm in 3rd grade. I love sea creatures. Won't you join me in my submarine? This is episode 7, and today I want to talk about tiger sharks. Let's go! Tiger sharks get up to 3 meters long and live in warm, shallow waters near coral reefs. They will eat anything they haven't seen before to see if they like it. Because of that, we call them garbage cans of the sea. Here's some of the weird things we found in tiger shark bellies. They have found polar bears, tires, cannonballs, and drum sets, license plates, and full suits of armor. Some kids think sharks are cool, but most grown-ups think sharks are scary because of most of the movies and stories made up about them. In reality, shark attacks are pretty rare. Let's talk ecology. Tiger sharks are an apex predator. With apex predators, we don't understand how important they are. Most animals aren't careful about how they eat. They need predators to keep them in check, or they would destroy the environment. When the wolves died in Yosemite National Park, even the animals and rivers changed. If we hunted out the tiger sharks, we would have no idea what it would do to the coral reefs. I hope you'll join me for more adventures in my submarine. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!
The Boy in the Submarine was created by Owen Rideout. Co-written by Brian Rideout and Owen Rideout. Directed by Brian Rideout. And performed by Owen Rideout. It was produced by Stormhead Productions and is copyright 2024 Owen Rideout. This episode of Boy in the Submarine included sound and music from Pixabay. For more information, visit boyinthesubmarine.stormheadproductions.ca. Thank you for listening.